Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a practical yet fun travel accessory, then today's review will be right up your alley. We'll be diving into the Galison Travel Set, Unicorn Locked. Whether you're always on the go or know someone who is, this set could be a great addition to any traveler's essentials. It comes with a luggage tag and a passport cover, both made of foil-stamped vegan leather. Now, let's break down the features and see how this set performs in real-world situations. The Galison Travel Set, Unicorn Locked, includes two items that are meant to make traveling a little easier: a luggage tag and a passport cover. Both are crafted from foil-stamped vegan leather, a feature that's appealing to those conscious about ethical choices. The set is designed to stand out, easy to locate in your bag or on your luggage, which is always a plus when you're juggling multiple items. The box size is compact, measuring 7 by 5.79 inches, and both the luggage tag and passport cover are made to be lightweight yet durable. The unicorn-themed design adds a touch of whimsy, making these items as much about fun as function. When I first tested the Galison Travel Set, I appreciated how easy it was to spot in my bag. The bright, foil-stamped design does its job by making the items highly visible, so I didn't have to dig around to find my passport or tag when rushing through airports. The vegan leather feels smooth and sturdy, offering a quality feel while being eco-friendly. The luggage tag is easy to attach to any suitcase, and the strap holds it securely in place. The passport cover provides a snug fit and does a decent job of protecting your passport from wear and tear. However, one downside I noticed during use is that while the luggage tag is very practical, it doesn't offer much space for writing details. It's certainly adequate for basic identification, but if you're looking for something with more functionality, this may fall short. As for the passport cover, it's protective but feels a little rigid. Over time, the materials could become more flexible, but as it stands, it's a bit stiff compared to other covers I've used. In terms of pros, this set stands out for its aesthetic appeal and practicality. The foil-stamped design definitely catches the eye, and the set's size makes it easy to carry without adding bulk. It's great for those who want to make a personal statement with their travel accessories. On the flip side, the set does have some cons. The lack of writing space on the luggage tag might be a deal breaker for those who like to have room for detailed information. Additionally, the rigidity of the passport cover could be improved for better ease of use over time. So, what's the value for money? The Galison Travel Set falls into the affordable category for a travel accessory set. Considering it's made from vegan leather and offers a stylish solution to travel organization, I'd say it offers decent value for its price. However, if you're looking for something ultra durable or with more space for writing details, there may be better options available. Comparing this to other similar sets on the market, the Galison Travel Set holds its own in terms of aesthetics. Many travel sets can be plain and utilitarian, but this one certainly adds a pop of personality with its unicorn design. That said, it's important to note that other sets may offer additional features like more compartments or customizable space for information, which might make them more practical for long-term travel. In terms of build quality, the vegan leather does a great job at feeling high-end without being harmful to animals, which is something many users will appreciate. The stitching is solid, and the materials feel substantial, even if they lack the suppleness of some more premium travel accessories. If longevity is your concern, the set should last as long as you need it to, though it might show signs of wear quicker than more robust materials. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out during my testing, but Galison is a brand known for creating fun and practical gifts and accessories. Their reputation for customer service is generally good, and I would expect them to be responsive if any issues did arise. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are plenty of travel sets available that focus on either premium materials or more functional designs. Some sets come with larger tags or more compartments in the passport cover. If you prefer a more minimalist approach, you can find options that are simpler but just as effective. So what's the final verdict? The Galison Travel Set, Unicorn Locked, is a charming and practical travel accessory for those who enjoy a bit of fun with their organization. While it's great for visibility and basic functionality, the lack of extra features like more space for writing and the slightly stiff materials might leave some users wanting more. If you're someone who values style and a touch of whimsy in your travel gear, this set is definitely worth considering. Before I wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon to stay up to date with all the latest reviews and tips on Beautyistic. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you already own the Galison Travel Set, share your experience in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in. You can find the link to this product in the comments box, and feel free to ask any questions or share your own thoughts if you've tried it out. Until next time, stay stylish, stay organized, and keep your travel game strong with Beautyistic.